Hello friends, today we will start module 4th of the chapter Diversity in India of class 6 Civics. In the previous module, we studied about the topic Unity in Diversity. In today's module, we will examine the inequalities present in the Indian society. So let's start today's module. So friends, in the previous modules, we learned how variations or differences in culture, geography and religion make India a diverse country. Diversity not only makes India unique, but also unites it and brings all people together. So on the one hand, cultural diversity forms an important feature of India. On the other hand, there are many differences in beliefs, practices and thoughts of people. Do these differences lead to inequality in any form? Let us examine it. So friends, the Indian society is divided by two types of inequalities: economic inequality and social inequalities. So the Indian society is divided by how many types of inequalities? Two types of inequalities. Number 1, economic inequality, and number 2, social inequality. So first we will talk about economic inequality. So as the name suggests, economic difference or inequality is the difference in the amount of money or wealth that people have. You must have seen how some people are very rich while some people are very poor, that they do not have enough money even for food. Some people are so poor that they cannot even afford basic necessities. Economic difference between people is shown by their clothes, lifestyle and food habits. These differences bring inequality in the society. This type of inequality can be seen when some people have access to resources and opportunity while others don't. So, now let's talk about social inequality. So social differences or social inequalities are those that arise due to the norms and ideas of the society. The biggest social inequalities present in India are caste system and gender bias. Caste system has been a part of Indian society since a long time. This system divides the society into different castes. Due to this, members of the lower caste are discriminated against and treated unfairly even today. Many laws have now been framed by the government to put a stop to such discrimination and ill treatment and to protect their rights. So social differences are due to norms and ideas of society. And let me tell you that social differences can be further divided into two types. There is a bias, there is a difference related to caste system is there, plus a gender bias is also there, which is another form of social difference. This means treating males and females unequally and discriminating against the girl child. When men and women are not seen as equal, rather females are treated only as a burden. It is called gender bias. The Indian government has made many laws and provisions to stop gender discrimination. But gender bias do exist, and because of this bias, social differences are created. So let's revise all the points quickly. So India is a diverse country, but there are also a lot of differences in the Indian society. There is difference in the distribution of wealth in India. Wealth is collected in a few hands and a large number of people does not have even enough to survive. Caste system is followed in India and society is divided on the basis of caste. People of the some caste are ill-treated. Girl child is discriminated against, and it is known as gender bias. Although against all these differences and against all these bias, government is working hard and government has made laws and provisions to stop such discrimination.